How do birds know where to go? Some birds migrate over 70,000 kilometers. They don't have maps and navigations. So why don't they get lost? Scientists think there are several different methods that birds use to navigate. So what are the tools that birds use for navigation? Birds use the sun in order to know the right direction on the basis of sun position. They are also sensitive to the ultraviolet rays which penetrate the cloud but are invisible to human beings. Even nocturnal birds use the position of the sun at sunset to know their location. Birds also use position of the star for navigation, especially nocturnal birds. Some birds have magnetite, which is a magnetic mineral just like a small compass. It is used to generate electricity above their nostril. This aids them in using the earth, which means they have an internal global positioning system. Birds also use their knowledge of landscape. They follow rivers, valleys, and roads or locate themselves with particular mountain peak. Different climatic condition also helps birds to find their home. What is interesting is that birds use their organ to navigate. A complex chemical reaction between a bird's eye and brain works with magnetic navigation, allowing the birds to sense which way is north. Tiny concentration of iron in a bird's inner ear help to navigate using Earth's. Birds also use an olfactory map to smell their way around. So, this is how the birds return home. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more knowledge.